So if you own an expensive scooter, what you want to do is you want to get a lock. Today I'm going to show you how to lock up 3 scooters with one of these nice little combination locks and an extension. So I'm going to show you how I do it through the spokes of 1, 2, 3. Because if you just get this is definitely not long enough. And U-locks are also very tricky. Stay tuned for the whole video. So I'm just doing a quick measure, and you can see that we are pretty much at 48 inches exactly. In terms of quality, this is the exact same thickness of the cable as the one that we bought to protect our electric scooter. This is a combination lock, and we mount it basically here on like a quick release. So we are going to take this and we're going to thread it through here. This is kind of hard to get these guys to lock, so you lock it on the back wheel here, right? But this way, if we have a second bike, then we can reach a little further. So let's go and show you how we're gonna do this. So now some of these locks are too thick to go through the wheel, right? So one way to get this to work is you take this, the new one, and then you feed this through. And then you just pull it out, right? So now you have achieved what you wanted to achieve. Now, if you have a second bike, you basically do the same thing. You take this, feed it through this spoke, and then you can actually do up to 3 bikes. So now you're essentially gonna have this. So now you need to secure this. That's when you take your actual lock, and then you feed this through both loops at the same time. And now you have this much more slack to connect to something. So let's just say we wanted to attach it here to the rail. Now we can basically just go around the rail, mix up the lock, and it's locked. So now all 3 bikes would be locked up, no problem. Obviously no one's gonna be able to break this, but obviously you can get a portable grinder, you can just, bring it in and you can just cut it. These types of locks, including the U-locks, will never stop a thief if they really want it. So my recommendation is if you have a scooter that is extremely expensive, we're talking like say $2,000-$3,000, you probably would want to get like 2 U-locks and one of those, or you probably add like a little GPS tracker to it, because these locks, while they are good, they're not there to serve overnight. They're there to maybe if you're going to a cafe, if you're going somewhere quick and you just need to lock this up so the teeth won't necessarily have enough time to be in a private setting to basically cut this with like a grinder. And here's what it looks like when it's kind of dangling off it. So yeah, it's a little bigger, but it's security. That's the video. I do like it. It matches the existing lock. So yeah, definitely happy.